Hey guys, what's going on? Have you ever been in the middle of a live stream and you go to move something and all of a sudden your overlays are gone? Well, in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you how to get those overlays back and how to lock your overlays in your scenes so that that doesn't happen again. Let's get into it. So you can see that I have live demo mode turned on. You can see I have my overlays window. I have my scenes window. This is our preview box where you see everything that's going on, and then some of the other stuff over here on this side. If you look to move your overlays, or if you just start clicking and dragging things and you're doing it in the wrong order, kind of like you're gonna see I do here. Now you see I grabbed my overlays and I'm moving it around, and if I don't pay attention and I do it too quick, that overlay is going to go ahead and come off the screen. You have some shortcut keys that you can go ahead and do, and the simple is your regular Command Z, kind of like your undo. So you go to your keyboard, you hit Command Z, and boom, it's back, right? There's another option that you can go ahead and get that overlay back. So I'm just going to go ahead and get it off the screen for you. And again, this overlay is gone, but not really. If you go ahead and you look at your overlays box and you look in show current scene, you can see for me, this overlay that was hidden, that we removed, is this one here that's highlighted. And if you look on the right-hand side, there's your eyeball. All you're gonna do is just uncheck that, and now your overlays come back. So that's a quick way to turn your overlays off and on. And if you happen to drag it off the screen, you have two different options. If it's off the screen, again, keyboard shortcut Command Z gets it back, or you can hide and unhide clicking on this eyeball and it gets you back and forth. But let's say this is your scene, you're good to go. You want to be able to move and click around on your keyboard at ease and not have to worry about it. Well, directly to the left of your eyeball is a lock icon. That's what you need to make sure that you click on, because now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on this lock. You can see now that it is locked and my overlay is visible, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to click the same way I was before, and now it moves my whole window. My overlay is not being touched, it's not being adjusted, and that's what you want. You want to be able to have peace of mind when you have your overlay set up. So you can lock two different things. You can lock your individual overlays, or you can lock your scenes. So basically you get your scene set up with all of your overlays within your scenes. And once you know you have that perfect and ready to go, you can lock your scene. So let me show you the difference. Let's say I want this scene exactly as is. I want to lock the whole thing and I don't want anything to move. Well, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my scenes window and I'm going to click on the lock button, as you can see here. So we're going to click on the lock button, and that locks everything within that individual scene. So now the scene is locked and anything within that scene can't be changed. So I'm going to try to go ahead and look, I'm trying to pinch in and out on the talking head. And if you notice right above my head, you see this gray box that comes up that says scene locked, unlock. So it's giving me an alert telling you, hey, I know you want to change something, but your scene is locked. If you want to go ahead and make some changes, be sure to unlock that scene. And so if, let's say, I'm done with this talking head and I want to go back and I want to now hide it and remove it from the scene, remember we had the eyeball. If I click on that eyeball again, if you look right above me, you can see it's saying scene is locked, unlocked. So I can't do anything. I have to go back to my scene. I have to click unlock. And now if I go ahead and I try to hide that camera overlay, now it's gone because the scene is unlocked. And that's it, guys. Super simple, super easy, super quick. You now know how to lock your overlays, how to lock your scenes. And if something kind of happens where you do get it lost, I showed you some quick shortcuts on how to get those overlays back to where they were. Super fast, super simple. In the next video, what we're actually going to show you is how to bring in a presentation, whether it's through PowerPoint or a keynote presentation, into EcammLive so that you can utilize a talking head, get your presentation in, and how to make that all work seamlessly. See you guys on the next one.